Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I am going to guide you on how you can pin your post on your Facebook account. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to this channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to pin a post on your Facebook account. So maybe you have a post which you want to be on the top of your Facebook profile page and you want others to see that at the top of your page, then you can simply do that very easily, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can pin a post on your Facebook account. Now, first of all, you want to simply make sure to update the Facebook app to the latest version. Make sure you have actually gone to your app store. In the search box, you want to type in Facebook and then update the app to the latest version. After you update it, we are going to simply open Facebook. You also want to make sure that you are actually logged into your account. So simply make sure that you are currently logged into your Facebook account. And after you are logged into our Facebook account, you can see this is how the home interface of this application is going to look like. And on the top left hand side of the screen, you will simply be able to see your profile picture. You can simply tap on our profile picture right over here. And as we tap on our profile picture, it will take us to our profile page, and you want to simply go ahead and select a post which you want to pin. For example, let's say this is the photo or a post which you want to pin. You can simply tap on the three dots next to this post. And once you tap on the three dots here at the top, you'll have enabled an option called pin post. We want to simply go ahead and tap on this pin post button. And as we tap on pin post right over here, you can see your post has been pinned to the timeline. If I scroll down right over here, you can see it is going to appear at the top of my page right over here, which says pinned post. If you want to unpin it and remove it, tap on it and tap on unpin, and then it will show you by the latest or by the default option. So this was it on how you can actually pin a post on your Facebook account. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you have any more questions, then also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.